In today's fast-paced mechanical repair environment, efficiency isn't just important, it's crucial to a shop's success. Every minute spent juggling estimates, searching for OE repair procedures, or manually sourcing parts is time taken away from shop efficiencies, customer service, and profitability. That's where ALLDATA Estimator comes in. With your purchase of ALLDATA Repair, Estimator is now included. ALLDATA Estimator is the industry standard for fast, accurate repair estimates and seamless parts, ordering all in one easy-to-use system. Designed to streamline shop workflows, reduce errors, and increase profitability, it ensures repair shops can focus on what matters most: diagnosing vehicles accurately, completing repairs efficiently, and maintaining profitability. Imagine a repair shop having an assistant that simplifies the estimating process, seamlessly integrates with OEM repair information, and provides real-time access to parts availability through the AutoZone catalog. ALLDATA Estimator does just that. This allows shops to dedicate more time to performing repairs with confidence. In addition to ALLDATA Repair, Estimator combines labor operations, OE-based repair procedures, and parts ordering through the AutoZone parts catalog, all in one comprehensive platform. Using ALLDATA Estimator means faster service times, improved estimate accuracy, and fewer parts sourcing headaches. It ensures repair work is completed accurately the first time by reducing supplement revisions, keeping the shop operating at peak efficiency. The shop doesn't have to toggle between different systems, manually verify labor times, or waste time cross-referencing part numbers. It's all in one place, enabling a smoother workflow from estimate creation to repair completion. Before accessing the AutoZone catalog, there's just one quick step to ensure everything runs smoothly: setting up the shop's AutoZone PIN. This one-time step links the shop's AutoZone commercial account to the AutoZone parts catalog, enabling real-time pricing, availability, and order tracking. Without it, parts ordering won't be integrated, so be sure to set this up first. To get started in ALLDATA Estimator, here's how it works. 1. Start with the vehicle. Quickly look up or enter customer details and attach the VIN or search the vehicle, year, make, model to locate previous estimates. 2. Add symptoms and labor. Enter the necessary symptoms, diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, and labor operations, ensuring a precise and OE-compliant repair estimate. 3. Seamlessly order parts. With a single click, punch out to the AutoZone parts catalog, where shops can find the right aftermarket parts in real time without guesswork or phone calls. 4. Receive parts with ease. Once the order arrives, simply mark it as received in ALLDATA Estimator. This step keeps the shop organized, prevents repair delays, and ensures technicians have the correct parts on hand to complete the job efficiently. No extra steps, no second guessing. Just a fast, reliable way to build estimates, source parts, and execute repairs seamlessly. ALLDATA Estimator is more than just a product. It's a game changer for your customers. Less time spent on manual estimate adjustments and parts sourcing means shops can focus on diagnosing and repairing vehicles with accuracy. Fewer estimate and parts errors, reducing costly delays and comebacks. Faster repairs, keeping the shop running efficiently and profitably. When shops run efficiently, they win, and so do you.